This video will show you how to easily import students from Google Sheets into the app. Tap the plus button and select Manage Students. This is the screen where you normally enter students manually. You do have a couple other options for Google Classroom, and if you tap Google Sheets here, you can get more information and open up Google Sheets. I already have Google Sheets here that I've opened. You can type this up on a computer, which is a lot easier, or get data from your school and copy it into the Google Sheet. And then what you want to do is, right now, highlight just the data without the column headers. So you can drag the bottom of the cell where that small circle is, and highlight, I've got the first name, last name, ID, and email. And then what you're going to do is tap the three vertical dots at the top right. And on the menu there, you'll see add-ons. Tap add-ons, and then select import the students from Rubik Scorer right there. This will open up the Rubik Scorer app. If it's the first time, you'll have to give permissions to approve and also select the same Google account that the Google Sheet was on. Then simply tap the headers to tell the app what is in each column. And then tap the Save to Template, select the class, and then you can import the students just to the master list, or you can import to a class. I'm going to choose class 1, and then you can choose to view the class or return to Sheets. I'm going to view the class. And now here, you can see those three names. If I tap on the top there, Sean Connors, the 3 students have been added to the class. You can also tap the plus button, select Manage Students, and you'll see the students in the master roster and in the class. So very easily you can have student information from a Google Sheet transferred directly to the app. I hope that makes the process easy. Thank you.